Well, hello. I'm sitting on the bow of a 2019 Boston Whaler 420 Outrage. As you can tell, the bow seating is absolutely incredible. Why don't you come on board and let me show you the rest of the boat. Hello, my name is J.C. Schwalbach, and I'm here with the 2019 Boston Whaler 420 Outrage at MarineMax Fort Myers. As you can see, the cockpit seating in this boat is absolutely amazing. Perfect for you to enjoy a fresh hot dog or hamburger right off of the built-in summer kitchen grill. As you transition forward, we come up to the Helm seating. Here we are on the spacious Helm deck seating on the Boston Whaler 420 Outrage. The thing I like most about this is my visibility to the front is amazing. I can see completely out of the front of the boat, and all my guests can see out of the front of the boat. This is also air-conditioned space, so it's very comfortable on those hot Florida days here in Fort Myers. Here we are on the Helm. As you can see, it's a joystick-controlled vessel. Axiom Pro electronics, which are absolutely amazing, and Seakeeper gyro stabilization. Here's the salon of the beautiful 420 Outrage in Fort Myers. As you can see, ample seating, converts to a full bed, complete with microwave, TV, and refrigeration. So that's the beautiful 420 Outrage here in Fort Myers. My name is J.C. Schwalbach. My cell phone number is 239-222-5908. Come by MarineMax Fort Myers and take a look at this beautiful Boston Whaler.